One, two, three. Yay! Orlov! We're finally here in our hotel. Hotel Cafe Demling. Hi there, what's up moms and friends? Welcome back to my channel. So today is our 10th day of vacation and we are finally back to Germany. So we just left the Strasbourg this morning and say goodbye to our friends. Now, instead of going back home, we decided to have an two-day stay here in beautiful city of Würzburg, Germany. So we finally arrived in our hotel. It's called Hotel Cafe Demling, and it's located in a very beautiful small town in a vineyard location. So at the back of the hotel is vineyards. Actually, you can see some here already. Super beautiful. So we're gonna stay here for 2 days. And if you're ready, then let's get started.
Before we were able to check in, since I was not vaccinated during this time, I needed to prove that I'm 100% healthy. So we drove back to the city, and good thing, we found a drive test center just along the river. That went pretty quick, and then we were able to enjoy the view of the castle and the Vikings cruises here by the river.
Orlov! Welcome to our hotel room. Halika dali. So this is our accommodation for 2 nights. Malaki naman ang cabinet. Oh, may crying toddler. Spacious bed. CR. My baby cot for the Miri. Very simple room. And there's the balcony here. Let's check it out from my view. May kapitbahay ang view. Ayun ang view. Andun yung vineyards. So super init. So may TV and cable din pala. Not bad, it's very cheap. It's like 7.75 or less than 7. Miri will go out later, huh? You chill first, okay? Gusto na rumampa. Ha? Ang cute oh. Ano siya? Pear. Sa gilid lang ng bahay. Look at that. Ay, yung mga vineyards. Daming grapes. Yan. Maliliit pa siya. So next month is the harvest time.
Randersacker is the perfect place to chill and play with your family.
Swimming. Ayun yung mga vineyards. And then, ito yung river, beach area. We're here in Randersacker. Ang mga beach.
Randersacker is a market town and municipality in Lower Franconia, a part of Bavaria in Germany. With its long tradition in winemaking, Randersacker is a well-known wine place of Germany. It lies in the Würzburg district and adjoins to Würzburg.
Also have table tennis. And then, lots of benches right there. And sunbathing. Ganda dito. For free lahat yan. Chill ka lang ng chill. May nag-boating dun or jet ski. Or I don't know what's that. Ang ganda dito. My God, super chill lang. You can just sit here and celebrate your birthday for free, and then you have this vineyard view. My God. Okay, yun lang. May highway lang siya besides the vineyards. But super nice here. Chill na chill. So look at that. They even have information about the different fishes you can find in the river. Here you can rent your bike or the paddle boat. Ito rin parang city center nila. May donor house, pizza house. May church doon. Dami ring potato. Here's my Hazelliebe vanilla ice with warm raspberry syrup and whipped cream. Paka-yummy. You're the one we had.
Next day, we're ready for our breakfast buffet.
Breakfast buffet. Aching! Aching!
And that's it for today. If you love videos like this and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the red button and the notification bell so you'll be updated. Thank you so much for watching and bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!